Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain what is Pydantic AI and why Pydantic AI agent is useful. So first of all, we can understand and search what is the Pydantic AI. So here there are some Pydantic AI. Pydantic AI is a Python agent framework designed to make less painful build production application with generative AI. Why Pydantic AI built, right? So here it is some benefits of the Pydantic AI. Pydantic AI built by the team behind the Pydantic, right? The validation layer of the OpenAI SDK, Anthropic SDK, LangChain, Llama Index, AutoGPT, Transformer, Crew AI, instruction, and many more. Model agnostic currently OpenAI, Gemini, Grok are supported. So it is a provider type safe structure responsibility validation with the Pydantic stream response including validation streamed structure response with Pydantic AI novel type safe dependency injection system used for testing and eval driven iterative development. And there are some more benefit of Pydantic AI. Imagine too. Pydantic AI. So in the there are some no more manual response parsing we are implementing here. Automatic type validation. It is a production ready in a minute. It is a very fast and real time data it can use using the Pydantic AI. So I have developed the Pydantic AI application on Hugging Face and I deploy this agent on the Hugging Face. So first of all, I need three libraries like Pydantic AI and Gradio, Yahoo Finance and Grok. So why I am using this application? So here I am explaining my code one by one. So I am using Grok API key here. So here I am using Grok API. This is my stock price result base model I am using. Here I am upload base model Pydantic and this is a Pydantic AI import agents. So Pydantic AI having symbols, price. There are some pretty stock having some symbols, price, currency, and currency is USD. Message are in string. So this is the very important Pydantic concept here. So stock agent Grok model use Llama 3 Grok 70B 8192 tools user preview. A result is the stock price result. This is our class name here. So my system prompt is you are a helpful financial assistant that can look up stock price. You can use the get stock price tool to fetch current data. So here I am including stock price tool plan. So here I am providing some symbol like Apple. So I want to find out the price of the stock of Apple. So here I am passing the Apple as a ticker. So my ticker is pass. So then after ticker name price, so price and currency we can retrieve. So here rounding function is use of Python and get the stock information, stock name and price and its result in the data. So we can retrieve. So here it is my Gradio interface coding. So function get stock price information input whatever I am inputting here. What is the Apple's current stock price? So here stock price information. So let's try how to use this one. So now I deploy this application over the on the Hugging Face. So I'm asking some question. What is the stock price of Amazon? Suppose okay. So let's try it's retrieving or not. Yeah. So yeah, here we go. So stock Amazon price dollar 2 point. So let's check we can what is the Amazon stock price today. So here see 21344 USD. So my model is retrieving perfect answer. Suppose I'm checking another one, for example Tesla, Nvidia. what is the price of Nvidia. So here Nvidia, okay, 140 USD. So let's try to check here Nvidia. So I am verify my model is give the answer properly or not. So yeah, model answer properly. Okay, so that is the use of Pydantic AI. So here I am searching Pydantic AI. So this is the my Pydantic AI. So Pydantic AI is a very popular like framework, agent framework. So we can build in many applications. Like see what is the Pydantic AI. Pydantic AI is an agent framework built on the Python, designed to streamline AI workflow without the need for complex abstraction or additional domain specific language. It is type safe, highly customizable, and works seamlessly with various AI model including OpenAI, Gemini, and open source alternative like VLNM, TGL. Right, so it is a very important. So thank you. You can share this information to everyone. I will and comment. Okay, thank you so much. It is a very see it is a downloaded is a very high nowadays. So it is a MIT 90% it is downloaded. So you can explore more Pydantic AI from here. Okay, thank you so much.